welcome back to Pannu's Quilling Point, and yes, you are at perfect point watching me Pratnya on this Adi Crafty channel. So today's video is a bit different video with never-ending winter in Mumbai. Recently I was eating lots and lots of vegetables. So I thought, why not to make these vegetables in quilling as well? So today's video is about 3D quilling vegetables. So let's begin. Green peas is one of the simplest one of these 5. First we'll make 4 domes like this and then stick it one after another. After that we'll border it for the covering. You can also cover the back side if you want. So next we'll make a tomato. Making a tomato in quilling is not that hard. Make small 2 domes like this and stick it in such a manner that both the domes are facing outwards like this. To make a sepal part for the tomato, make a loose coil like this, give it a square shape. Now give it a star-like shape by pressing the sides like this. Now stick that sepal on the tomato. Along with it, take a small 3 mm green strip, roll it like this and stick it above. The tomato is ready. So now next we'll make is a carrot. Take 2 strips. Give it a conical shape like this. Once you complete a conical shape, apply glue inside and outside. Make sure you are covering all the layers. This will make the cone sturdy. Now, to make the upper part of the carrot, first take small green strip, make some small fringes to it. Now attach that strip to a red strip and as usual make a small dome like this with green strip inside and red strip outside, of course. So after this, make it a small dome and make sure the fringes are coming out like the carrot leaves. So it will look like this. So stick this dome to the base of the cone and your carrot is ready. Needless to say, you have to use same colors as the vegetable you are trying to make. So as carrot, in the same manner you can make radish. Just replace green color with white color. The radish is ready. Before moving with the video, I would like to thank you for 670 subscribers. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you want to stay tuned, please subscribe to our channel. So let's move ahead. Next up, brinjal. Making a brinjal is almost similar like a carrot. Here we are going to make 2 domes. One is a regular dome and the second one is slightly bigger than that dome. So this dome will be a conical and cylindrical shape like dome, like this, and stick it in the similar fashion as we made carrot. For the green leafy part, I have taken 5 mm strip and cut it like a leaf-like shape and stick it above that brinjal. And for the stem part, as we did in tomato, we can take 3 mm strip, just roll it and fix it at the top. The brinjal is ready. Next move on to a cute little lady finger. Make a cone-like shape like this and apply glue to inner and outer part like this. Make sure before drying, you give a square-like shape like this. Now, press the sides of a square to inward direction to form a star-like shape. So now here you can easily see the sidelines of a lady finger are forming. For the top part of the lady finger, first make a slight loose coil. Then give it a square shape. Now, by pressing the sides to the inward direction, it will form a star-like shape. Now to make a 3D dome, just with the help of your fingers, press it from the inward to the outward direction. You will see a cap-like structure is forming, which is also same like a star, 3D star you can say. So apply glue to the inner part of the cap and the top part is ready. So for the above stem part, take a 3mm strip, roll it and fix it with glue and fix the stem at the center. So your lady finger is ready. So did you add your vegetables? Oh, I'm sorry, did you make your vegetables? If yes, then please make sure you comment, and also if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also contact us on our Facebook page. If you have made some similar or different type of vegetables, you can share the pic with us. We can share that pic on our page, obviously creatively. Also, do you know about my website? If not, then visit pannusquilling.com. There you will find more than 100 jhumkis which are for sale. So buy and experience the happiness of handmade. So thank you friends for watching my video and giving your valuable time. We have also made some amazing videos on how to price your quilling products and the mistakes we all beginners make. If you want to find out, please check the I button, and it is also mentioned in the description and mentioned here as well.